In this problem, we're going to do a division word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says Natasha has $672 to buy cupcakes for her class. If each cupcakes costs $7, how many cupcakes can she buy? So one cupcake costs $7, and this is how much she has to spend on it. So first step is to rewrite the equation, rewrite the problem. Divide the amount of money by the cost of each cupcake to find the number of cupcakes. So that's going to be 7 divided into 672. So I have in the links, in the description, different links that are related to this video that show you step by step how this is done. And also there's an ebook that you could download to follow along, and you'll be able to see this problem and follow along with it. So in my other videos, I always say you have to start this way when you do division, right? So you have to look at this number first. 7 can't fit into 6, right? 6 is too small. So now we look at these two place values, the hundreds and the tens. So how many times does 7 fit into 67? So we know that number is 9. So let's write that in. So let's put 9 here. And we put it on top of the tens, right? You don't put it on top of the hundreds. That wouldn't be correct, right? So then you multiply 9 times 7. And we know 9 times 7 is 63. So let's put that in pink. Now we subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4, right? The next step we do is we see there's more numbers here. So we have to bring this one down. So let's bring it down. And we know we're supposed to bring it down up till the line here so that it goes right beside the 4. So now we just need to figure out how many times does 7 fit into 42. We know that number is 6. So let's use a different color for that. So now we multiply 7 times 6, and we know that that equals to 42. And now we just subtract. 42 minus 42 is 0. There's no more numbers here, so we know we finished the problem. So let's interpret these results. So what this means is Natasha is able to buy 96 cupcakes with her $672. So she's able to buy, she can buy 96 cupcakes with her $672. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away, you could just rewatch the video.